Hi everyone, welcome to another render demo, how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a banana in a few simple steps. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the banana, just one banana, and it's going to be curved to the right. So I'm going to go and draw like a curve like this, up like that, and it's going to kind of round at the top, and then the top's going to be narrow, and then over here in the middle it's going to be a little bit wider. So we're going to come down as it gets wider, and then it's going to kind of hook back over like that. Okay, so the second step, we can draw the beginning of our stem. So we can draw inward a little bit from the edge over here, so if we connect to that. So come in here and draw like almost like a backward C shape, and then we'll taper this out to the left, and we'll come from the bottom of the stem. This will curve upward, and the top part will curve down lower like this. And then we can put a end on this stem piece here. So if we draw like an L shape like this, a backwards L, and then what we can do is we can come off of this with a couple lines like this. So 3 equal length lines, and then we're going to draw like a square shape over here. So we're going to follow this edge here, so that'll be something like that, and then this edge here will come up like this, and then we'll do the same over this way and like that. Alright, so there's our stem, and now we're going to have the banana kind of like half peeled. So this will be, the top will be the actual banana inside piece, and then the lower part will be the banana peel that's kind of pulled open. So what we'll do is we'll start right about here, so not exactly where the stem starts, but up a little bit from there, and we're going to follow this curve, this top curve here. So we'll come like this, and we'll stop about halfway, somewhere around here. And then what we'll do is we'll come over to the right, and we'll hook this down. So we'll come over like this. We're going to extend past the banana edge here, and this is going to come down like this, somewhere around here, and then we're going to round that, and then we're going to come back up, and we're going to meet right around this area here. Okay, so we're going to come, it's going to be tapered narrow here, that, and then we're going to come down and meet back up. So that's like that one peel right there. So the second peel is going to happen on the other side, over towards the left. So we'll come from this point here, this intersection point here, and we'll hook this over to the left. So the same length of this peel here, we want to try to mirror that same length over there. So what we'll do is we'll come up from here, and we'll come up like this and over, and then right around here we're going to come off with this, and we're going to hook quick, and then it's going to go like that and meet up. And then what we'll do is we'll put a curve right here to kind of show the other side, and we'll curve like that. We'll stop where the banana is here. Okay, so that's kind of like wrapping to the other side of it. And then we're going to have one more peel. So we have 1, 2, and then there's going to be a third one, and that's going to kind of show up right over here behind the banana here. So you don't want to have your lines extending into this. And what we'll do is we'll start about here. Okay, so not at the banana edge, but where the first peel happens. And we'll draw a similar shape like this, over here. So this will come down like this. We'll round this up and we'll come up and we'll hook in like that. All right, now we'll add some kind of like creased edges to the banana. So right over here, we'll follow the lower portion, this curve. We'll draw a curve in here, and this will stop where the peel happens. But then we're gonna kind of stop here and then pick it back up a little bit like that. We don't have to go all the way, we can stop there. Now this line here, what we'll do is, because this is kind of lifting up a bit, we're gonna continue somewhere, like say we continue that line here, it's gonna be somewhere around here. So it's not exactly in line with that. It's gonna be a little bit off, and we'll take this and we'll curve this up a little bit higher, like that. We don't have to go all the way to the end. All right, so there you go. There's our banana. I'm going to go and use my ink pen and outline the banana and then color it in. So we'll see you in a second. Okay, I just outlined my banana. I'm going to use some yellow colors. So I have about 4 shades of yellow and some oranges. And we'll go ahead and start off with the banana as being like a light yellow, and then we'll darken it with a little bit deeper like orangey colors for the banana. So there you go, we just drew a banana and colored it in. Hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget, subscribe to our channel. That way you'll be able to see a bunch of our new video tutorials that are coming out. And we will check you guys out at another time. See you later.